Hey Marie Kondo fans! Do you ever stop and wonder how Marie Kondo organizes her piece of jewelry and accessories? If the answer is yes, then you need to watch this until the end of the video because we're going to show you 4 life-changing jewelry cabinets that lived up to the Marie Kondo standards. We all know her from her Netflix hit series, Tidying Up with Marie Kondo, and from her latest book, Joy at Work. From messy vanity areas to trashy dresser drawers, there is simply no stopping her. According to the Japanese lifestyle expert, the art of the KonMari method is a multi-step process that involves sorting each item by category and not by location. She further suggested that each item you decide to keep should spark joy. Organizing is easy, especially if you rarely use the item or clothing. But what about pieces of jewelry, makeup, and other accessories? How do you declutter these precious gems and keep them organized? What kind of jewelry cabinet should you buy? Here are 4 life-changing jewelry cabinets that lived up to the Marie Kondo standards. LUXFURNI Stella 6. Marie Kondo says to organize your items by categories and not by location. This jewelry cabinet from LUXFURNI exactly does that to the letter. Imagine having 130 earring slots, 24 necklace hooks, 12 bracelet hooks, and a ring organizer all in one. As if that was not enough, throw in an extra 5 level shelves for your cosmetic and skincare products with 4 storage drawers for other personal items, and you have everything you need to look beautiful every day. Seeing all your vanities and pieces of jewelry grouped into sections makes everything so easy. But this is not just all beauty. Taking care of your precious investments is the main goal here. So check out the plush interiors made of the anti-tarnish and moisture repellent velvet material. If this doesn't spark joy, then we don't know what would. LUXFURNI Stella 8. If you are a hardcore Marie Kondo fan, then this beautiful hanging piece from LUXFURNI might just be your thing. It comes with everything you can think of and perhaps even more, depending on how you want to organize your place. Organizing your valuables and vanities can be pretty easy, but keeping them away from clutter is the difficult part. Marie Kondo advocates that one should use boxes and drawer organizers to keep everything well organized. It does help, especially when you get used to it. But why not do it in style with this hanging jewelry cabinet from LUXFURNI? It has both a jewelry section and a cosmetic section to cater to your every whim. Organize everything and maximize your floor space with its wall mount or door hang features. Just so you know, limited space is no longer an excuse. LUXFURNI Joy 6X. Marie Kondo talks about creating a power spot filled with things you love. If makeup and jewelry makes you happy, then this sleek and sexy jewelry cabinet from LUXFURNI is for you. Think about having your own little nook in that little bedroom corner of yours, wherein you can do your makeup with shadow-free lighting while keeping everything organized. Its minimalist design and edge-to-edge mirror allows you to contour and blush your makeup like a pro. It even has a slot for all your favorite brushes upright. Organize your piece of jewelry with 91 ring holes, 72 earring slots, 24 necklace hooks, 2 drawers, a lock and key. Oh, and did I mention its creamy velvet interiors? LUXFURNI Joyce 3. All big things start from small beginnings. The same goes for every woman's jewelry collection. Marie Kondo suggests to only keep the things that spark joy, and this could be true. After organizing your piece of jewelry and accessories, living with a few meaningful pieces can be a start of something special. LUXFURNI Joyce 3 hanging jewelry cabinet can help you do just that, starting with its sleek frame and edge-to-edge mirror design to its well-appointed hooks and slots. Everything is so well thought of. Showcasing in style is so easy with its transparent jewelry pouches to its high adjustable shelves for your cosmetics. It is the perfect bedroom accent that does not take any floor space. Marie Kondo suggests to store everything upright. This allows you to see everything in a glance and take inventory of what you own. Using a jewelry cabinet to organize your everyday accessories and cosmetics is the most effective way to keep from clutter. LUXFURNI, the finest jewelry cabinet maker. So So what do you think of these? Let us know on the comment sections below. See you!